Frequency is just simply how often something occurs in a given amount of time. Birthdays occur with a frequency of once per year. In sound, the frequency is a measure of how often the cycle of rarefaction and compression occurs per second. In normal sound that we listen to, we can usually hear ranges from about 20 hertz, 20 cycles per second, up to 20,000 cycles per second. That is before iPods destroyed everybody's high-frequency hearing, and now most people can hear up to about 14,000 cycles per second. Ultrasound is anything above that, is any frequency above 20,000 cycles per second. Medical diagnostic ultrasound operates in the frequency range of 2 megahertz up to about 20 megahertz is considered the norm. There are some exceptions. Some intracranial ultrasound is done at 1 megahertz. There is some intravascular where they use a catheter that actually has an ultrasound probe on the tip of it that goes inside the vessel, is done up to as much as 32 megahertz. But general diagnostic medical ultrasound occurs between 2 and 20 megahertz and is 2 million to 20 million cycles per second. Cycles, again, of rarefaction and compression each second. As an example of what this represents, it represents as the molecules that are being vibrated, how fast back and forth they are vibrated. That is all frequency is, just the number of times per second that the cycle of rarefaction and compression occurs.